Hey everyone, this is Elaine with Larkin Lane Creations. Thanks for coming back to my channel. I am right now actually tea staining paper. I have it on my kitchen table and on my kitchen countertops. I'm home alone, so it's a good time to kind of spread out. So while that's drying, I thought I'd step on in here in my art room and show you my newest find. It is so funny to me because I never used to come across stuff like this. And now all of a sudden, I'm just hitting a jackpot. These happen to be old postcards, and a lot of them are black and white and old. This is kind of thin. I find it hard to believe it was a postcard, but I guess back in the day it was. One problem with these is that they all had a price sticker on them. So I got me a bottle of Undo and I went to work. And I was afraid I was going to ruin them, but it's not really too bad. But every one of them had a sticker on it. So I just wanted you to see some of them. And I'm telling you, I want to say there's at least 300 of them here. A lot of them are black and white, and there are a lot of them that also are in color. And these, do look a little newer. These actually had been sent to someone. And here are some more. For the person that likes to play golf. One question I guess I have is I don't know how to tell the age of a postcard unless the person dated it or it was actually sent. There's no way of knowing. This one actually has a postmark of 1910. So I guess they actually did go through the mail, even as thin as they were. I've not really gotten to explore too much, gone through them. I don't know if I have duplicates. But like I said, I just thought I'd take a minute and show you. They seem to be from all over the world. See if this one has a postmark. No, it doesn't, but it is written in a different language. So I'm not quite exactly sure what it says. It's another color one. I might do another video on this once I kind of get them sorted and see what I have. And if I come across anything fun, I don't see a year on that one. This one's 1957, 1923. And see, like this one here now, it wants to stick to the one in front because of that little sticker. This one was 1948, New Orleans. And this one was 1909. They wrote on the front, "Dear Uncle." And there it was, sent to New Jersey. Now let's see what's in this little treasure, because that's what it says. The Tourist Treasury of Views from Australia. Oh, it's got like a lot of photos. Are they on the back? Nope, they're not on the back. But that's pretty cool. I've never seen anything like that before. So a little accordion of photos. Let me get it back in here. I guess you put it through the mail. Maybe tape up the sides too and place for the stamp. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed my find. And like I said, I will probably get back to you on these. So I'm sure that there's some pretty cool things in here. There's a birthday greetings. Anyway, it's a wet, cold day here in Georgia. And so, like I said, just staining some paper right now. And thought I'd stop in and say hello. So I appreciate you coming by. Please tell your friends and other crafters that, I do all kinds of stuff. You never know what she might do next. And please come by and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you much. Bye.